Trabaja en CETIC y habíamos hablado de presentarte.
La mitad. Que siento hacia ti la mitad.
Y así colaborar en este programa.
Love's a diesel engine like a blues that has no end, howling in a nightmare to the limit of myself. Revving up my motor, he's like no other guy. Sure of what I'm saying, no sorrow or no pain. Give me all your love, now give me all your love. Here I am, I'm waiting just for you. Give me all your love, and if it ain't enough, I got more for you. Since I left